If you're over 50 and feel like your body just doesn't respond to workouts the way it used to, you're not alone. You hit the gym, lift, sweat, and still, you barely see progress. Your strength dips, recovery takes forever, and your joints? They complain louder than your muscles. But wait, what if I told you? It's not your age. That's the problem. It's your approach. See, after 50, your body doesn't need more workouts. It needs smarter ones. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the only 7 exercises you need to build real, lean muscle fast even after 50. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, how to do it, and why these 7 moves are the foundation of every strong, ageless body. Why you listen. Most people over 50 think muscle building is over, but it's not. Your body isn't breaking down. It's just following new rules. You don't need harder workouts. You need smarter ones. These 7 exercises rebuild your strength, protect your joints, and reignite your energy. Stay with me. Your 50s might just become your strongest decade yet. Exercise 1. The squat, the king of all exercises. If you could only do one movement for the rest of your life, it should be the squat. Squats target your legs, glutes, core, and back, and build total body strength. They help with your posture, balance, and metabolism. For men over 50, squats are a must because they help reverse age-related muscle loss in your lower body, the foundation of movement. Form tip. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and lower yourself as if sitting in a chair. Go slow. Control matters more than depth. Pro tip. Start with bodyweight squats. Once you can do 15 clean reps, add light dumbbells or use a resistance band. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Your knees and hips will thank you. Exercise 2. The deadlift, the ultimate strength builder. The deadlift is not just a gym move, it's a life skill. Every time you pick up groceries, lift a grandkid, or carry something heavy, that's a deadlift in disguise. Deadlifts strengthen your posterior chain of hamstrings, glutes, back, and grip. When done correctly, they also improve bone density and fight the effects of aging. Form tip. Keep your spine neutral, core tight, and push your hips back before lifting. Focus on driving your heels onto the floor, not yanking with your back. Pro tip. Use a trap bar or dumbbells instead of a straight barbell if you have lower back issues. Exercise 3. The push-up, upper body powerhouse. Push-ups are one of the most effective and underrated exercises for building strength, especially after 50. They don't just work on your chest, they target your shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Every rep builds stability through your entire upper body while protecting your joints and improving posture. For older adults, push-ups are especially powerful because they strengthen muscles that naturally weaken with age than the ones responsible for pushing, lifting, and maintaining daily strength. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Your body is the perfect resistance tool. Form tip. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Don't let your hips sag. Lower yourself slowly and press through your palms. Modification. Can't do a full push-up yet? No problem. Start on your knees or against a wall. Gradually progress to floor push-ups. Pro tip. Try different hand placements with a close grip for triceps, wide for chest to target more muscles. Exercise 4. Pull-ups, or assisted pull-ups. Few movements represent strength and vitality like pull-ups. Being able to lift your own body's weight isn't just a fitness milestone. It's a symbol of control, confidence, and resilience. Pull-ups primarily target your back, biceps, and grip strength, while also engaging your shoulders and core to keep your posture upright and powerful. For many people over 50, a full pull-up may feel out of reach at first, and that's completely okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Start with resistance bands or an assisted pull-up machine to gradually build strength. You can also practice inverted rows using a barbell or TRX straps. They mimic the same motion with less strain. Pro tip. Focus on controlled negatives, slowly lowering yourself down. That's where most of the muscle growth happens. Exercise 5. The overhead press for shoulder power. For men and women over 50, shoulder health is especially important. This exercise strengthens the muscles that protect your joints and improves posture by opening the chest and pulling the shoulders back. Start with light dumbbells or even resistance bands to learn proper form. Keep your movements slow, steady, and controlled. Over time, you'll notice better shoulder mobility, improved upper body strength, and a confident, upright stance, the kind of posture that reflects energy, strength, and youth at any age. Pro tip. Use lighter weights and focus on full range of motion. Avoid locking your elbows harshly. Keep control through every inch. If your shoulders feel tight, try seated dumbbell presses or use resistance bands. Exercise 6. The step up, for balance and leg power. As we age, balance is often the first thing we start to lose. That's exactly why step-ups are so powerful. This simple movement strengthens your legs, glutes, and hips all at once. It also rebuilds your coordination and overall stability. Every rep mimic real-life movement, climbing stairs, stepping up a curb, or standing from a chair. That's what keeps you mobile, steady, and independent. To perform it, find a sturdy bench or platform. Place one foot on top, drive through your heel, and lift yourself up slowly. Then step down under control and switch sides. Focus on smooth, steady motion, not speed. As you improve, add light dumbbells or raise the step height. Step-ups train your brain and body to move as one, building balance, confidence, and leg power at any age. Pro tip: hold light dumbbells to increase intensity. This move mimics real-life climbing and improves hip and knee strength. Exercise 7. The plank, for core strength and stability. The plank might look simply, but it's one of the most powerful exercises after 50. It strengthens your entire core, abs, back, and obliques. Your shoulders, chest, and glutes also join in for full stability. This one move builds the base for strength in daily life. A strong core improves posture and protects your spine. It keeps your balance sharp and reduces back pain. Start on your forearms or knees, keeping your body straight. Hold steadily, breathe, and focus on control over time. Even 30 seconds a day builds real strength and stability. The plank proves that small effort brings big change. Form tip: elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Don't let your hips stay tight and breathe steadily. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually build up to a full minute. Case study: Mark's transformation at 55. Mark, a 55-year-old accountant, came to me after years of inactivity. He felt stiff, weak, and thought muscle building days were behind him. We started with these exact 7 exercises just 3 days a week, 45 minutes per session. In 90 days, he gained 8 pounds of lean muscle, his joint pain reduced, and his energy skyrocketed. His secret? Consistency and smart training, not endless workouts or heavy weights. Action plan: how to start. Here's your 3-day per week beginner plan. Day 1. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10. Planks, 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Day 2. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 8. Overhead press, 3 sets of 10. Step-ups, 3 sets of 10 each leg. Day 3. Pull-ups or rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10. Squats, light, 2 sets of 15. Planks, 3 rounds of 40 seconds. Rest 1 day between workouts. Focus on progressive overload, slowly increasing reps or weights each week. So, there you have it. The only 7 exercises you truly need to build muscle fast after 50. No confusing gym routines. No expensive membership. No hours wasted chasing fads that don't work. Just simple, proven movements that reignite your strength, rebuild your confidence, and bring back that sense of power you thought was long gone. If you start today, not next week, not when life slows down, you'll start noticing changes faster than you think. Comment down if you're ready to begin. Your energy will rise. Your joints will feel smoother. Your body will begin to respond again. And in just a few short weeks, you'll stand taller, move easier, and look in the mirror with pride, knowing you're taking control again. Because after 50, fitness isn't about ego. It's about longevity. It's about waking up pain-free, keeping your independence, and building the kind of strength that lets you do everything you love for decades to come. So don't wait for perfect conditions. You already have everything you need, your determination, and now the right plan. Start with these 7 exercises and commit to consistency, not perfection. Every rep you do is an investment in your future self. So, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon and join a community of people proving every single day that turning 50 isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.